nurse, taller, thin as a rail, with long blonde hair. "You okay?" she asked as she came over and took the cup, refilling it, then set it on the nightstand and began fluffing the pillows a bit and checking the sheets and covers. The other nurse going around to the other side of the bed. "I will be. When they find Laura," Jason said. "You love her a lot, huh?" Holly said. "She's my whole world," Jason managed to say, and then leaned back into the pillow as tiredness overcame him.
It's not worth it. Oh, God.
Okay, keep your eye on the truck on the far left. He hits a bump there where they're repaving the road, and the ball pops off, so the trailer goes down. Luckily, he had his chains, and the guy in the Infinity, the black Infinity ahead of me, moved off to the right because he saw the sparks from underneath the trailer from that cement mixer that started dragging. So, luckily, in a few seconds, he gets back over to the left and tells the guy, "Hey, it's dragging." So he decides to get off the road, and he hits the high curb there, and it starts losing control. I thought, oh man, this guy's going to go into traffic accidentally. But luckily, he straightened it out. Just a reminder to stay safe out there, everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
They want to sell Dom and Dad's old camper, their pop-up camper, and the boat. You better stop.
What the hell is that guy doing?
This is Chanel. Poochie,
Yes.
let me call you back.
Okay, no problem.
All right.
Oh shit! What happened? Oh, that person just put that. Oh,
I
wait.
gotta stop and give him my number.
What happened?
They just hit each other.
divorce. Oh my God. I don't understand why you need a new car, or like another car. But I just want to have one car, okay? You can have one car. When your bitch breaks down, don't be coming crying to me because you don't have an
Oh
extra
my
car.
God, there was just an accident in front of me.